Hi everybody, it's Ian from the Jessops Academy team, and you join me in the beautiful British countryside today as I check out the new Tamron 70-180 F2.8 Di3 VXD lens. Let's see how I get on. So here it is, the Tamron 70-180 F2.8 Di Mark III VXD lens. And this adds to the two lenses that Tamron have already released in their 2.8 series for mirrorless, the 17-28 and the 28-75. The lens's 19 elements, which are in 14 groups, have all the attributes you'd expect of a lens of this nature, including a fluorine coating. It has internal focusing, a zoom lock, and is moisture resistant. The lens weighs in at an incredible 810 grams, which is pretty impressive considering it's an f2.8 lens. This is almost half the weight of other 2.8 lenses. The newly developed linear motor AF drive focus mechanism, or VXD, stands for Voice Coiled Extreme Torque Drive, was designed especially for this lens. It controls the stop position of focus elements more accurately. There are no noisy gears involved here, it's just brilliant for quiet and fast operation, a welcome addition for AF accuracy and AF tracking. As I began to use this lens, what struck me was its versatility. Something so small and lightweight, yet with professional spec, means I'm more likely to carry it around with me for an everyday lens, and of course use it for all different subject matters. Its macro capability is fab, 85 centimeters in AF and 27 centimeters in a specific manual focus mode. This combined with the Sony sensor, the detail you can apply it from a crop is very impressive indeed. Tamron have minimised the buttons, switches and other paraphernalia associated with lenses. Their focus has been on ultimate performance in the smallest possible package. There is no AF/MF switch on the lens. On compatible mirror bodies, of course, you can switch this from the menu. It's really quick and easy to do. Because of its weight, there is no need for a lens collar, and the focal length range and speed of focus means you also get away with not having a focus limiter switch. Next up was to test the speed of AF and tracking capability, and I'm pleased to report it's fully compatible with the incredible Sony's IAF tracking, which really does please me. And as you will see from these shots of Amelia, even when she's walking towards me, it doesn't miss a beat. Time to up the ante and introduce Freddie the Dog jumping in and out of the long grass. Usually this situation is an absolute nightmare and promises a very low hit rate, but thanks to Sony's AF tracking and the lens's impressive VXD mechanism, it actually kept up in all the confusion of grass and a crazy dog. So my final thoughts on this lens is that I'm genuinely impressed. Throughout history, Tamron have always been so innovative in their designs, and it's a very clever move on their part to support a mirrorless system. Not only with this lens, but their trinity of f2.8 lenses, all of them offering key USPs of exceptional quality, but in a much smaller and lighter weight form factor. All the front element sizes of these lenses are 67mm, and they have a combined weight of 1.8 kilograms, almost half of the other Trinity systems available, which is of course exactly what you want from a mirrorless system. So it could be you've just moved to mirrorless and looking for what lenses you might want next. Check out this range because you won't be disappointed. We do hope you've enjoyed this video and find it useful. If you have, do give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.